This is What You Should Know. Vital information about your health and wellness from the experts at Community Health Partners. According to the National Stroke Association, 2 million brain cells die every minute during a stroke. It's why waiting too long to seek treatment can lead to permanent disability or death. Representatives from the Certified Stroke Center at Community Regional Medical Center discuss the vital importance of recognizing stroke symptoms.
Stroke can present in many different ways, and any sudden onset of weakness, numbness, difficulty with speaking, swallowing, any sudden onset of loss of vision, or any unexplained dizziness, difficulty walking, can all present as stroke symptoms.
I would have never recognized the symptoms that I was having as a stroke. As far as I was concerned, I had vertigo. I wouldn't have come to the hospital if I were at home. If I were at home and got that dizzy, I'd have gone and laid down, which is what I'm afraid so many people do.
Yeah, it's absolutely a problem that the symptoms can be vague because people will dismiss them as something other than a serious stroke. They may think that, well, I'm just tired, or I'm stressed today, or, I haven't eaten lunch yet. There's a number of things that they can be attributed to.
Just as patients know that when they have chest pain, they have to call 911. Stroke is a medical emergency, and they have to call 911 and come to the hospital.
The biggest thing that I would want to get out to the public is do not sit at home when you think that you're having a symptom that could be a stroke.
Anyone who's around the patient should recognize a stroke, and we follow. There are some simple things patients and families can follow, and one of them is something called FAST, F-A-S-T. It's an acronym for very fast evaluation of a stroke patient, and the F is meant for face, and if you ask the patient to smile, you can see the asymmetry or any changes in the face. The second one is A, and is for arms. You can ask the patients to raise both the arms and see if there's any weakness or any drifts. The third one is speech. Ask the patient to speak, and you can see the difference in the speech, if there's any slurring of speech, if the patient's having difficulty finding words. And time, again, time is of essence here because we use a medication within 3 hours to try and reverse the stroke, and so it's very important to note the time and get the patient to the hospital. We here have a separate stroke unit. This was actually one of the first stroke units to be built in the city. It's a 9-bed unit with specialized equipment. We have single rooms, and we have special bathrooms for disabled patients. We have a place for families to be with the patients, which is very important in initial hospitalization. And we have also trained our staff for many years, and this is the same nurses that are on the unit 24 hours who know how to take care of stroke patients.
Community Health Partners is the only stroke center that is certified by Joint Commission in Lorain County.
It is very important to come to a certified stroke center, as we are one of the centers that can provide them the ultimate care, as we are geared to these protocols and we have good standard of care. And we meet national standards for fast-tracking these patients from coming to the emergency room, getting a CAT scan, getting our MRIs, getting them to a stroke unit.
They really responded very quickly. They knew what I needed more than I did, and they took care of it.
For information, call 1-877-CHP-6161. What You Should Know is presented as a public service of Community Health Partners, including Community Regional Medical Center and Allen Community Hospital.